Now, Dr. Mitchell Davis is a gastroenterologist. Dr. Davis is the co-founder of the largest gastroenterology group in the entire state of Florida and the fourth largest group in the entire country. He has been published numerous times and was recently accepted for publication in the prestigious New England Journal of Medicine.
I was introduced to LifeMax and the product Mila in the beginning, in the summer of 2008, and I was asked to look at it more from a medical perspective even than as a distributor, and I am an independent distributor with the company. Based on what I saw, I certainly was convinced that this was a great product with tremendous potential medical benefits. Also, on a personal basis, I have genetic high triglycerides and cholesterol, and I've been taking a 3-medication regimen for years, which has controlled it, but certainly not to the degree that I was happy. I added Mila every day to my regimen and was amazed, as was my internist, to see my LDL, or my bad cholesterol, go from approximately a level of 120 down to about 80, which was a dramatic drop, which reduces my cardiac risk. In addition, my HDL, or my good cholesterol, went from around 50 to about 65, which is also a great thing to do for your cardiac health, to reduce your risk of heart attack. I have been able to give this to patients. I've seen them do very well with constipation, which probably has something to do with the fiber content of the product, which is important for all of us because fiber is good for the normalizing of digestion, and high fiber diets have been shown to reduce the risk of colon cancer. I have seen patients improve from gastroesophageal reflux disease, or GERD, fibromyalgia, depression. I've seen improvement in diabetics where they've been able to reduce their insulin needs. I've seen people with arthritis get better, as well as dramatic drops in certain people's blood pressure. All of these things can be explained by the omega-3s in Mila. I want to remind everybody who's listening that we're not talking about a drug or a pharmaceutical. We're talking about a product, Mila, which is a food, which is not genetically modified. It's pesticide-free, it's gluten-free, it's trans-fat-free, and what it provides is a very high and safe source of omega-3s, antioxidants, fiber, as well as plant-based green nutrients. Before we talk about why the omega-3s supplementing has helped us, why are we so low in omega-3s? Why is it so important? It's been stated that the American and most Western diets are severely deficient in omega-3 fatty acids. If you're like most Americans, we're only getting about 5% of our recommended daily allowance. Heart disease is our #1 killer in America. We now have a very good idea that this is because none of us are getting enough omega-3 fatty acids. Well, one of the main reasons we develop heart attack and blockages is because we develop inflammation within the blood vessels. And the omega-3s are natural anti-inflammatories. They reduce cardiovascular inflammation. There are other conditions that have been shown to help with omega-3s, other inflammatory disorders such as rheumatoid arthritis, probably lupus, as well as neurological conditions such as dementia, as well as attention deficit disorder and ADHD. We should have approximately 1 omega-3 to every 1 omega-6, or even 1 omega-3 to every 4 omega-6s. Our diet in this country is approximately 1 omega-3 to 12 to up to 25 omega-6s. And this is a really significant imbalance in our omega-3 to omega-6 ratio, which then causes our body's immune system, our inflammatory mechanisms, to turn on and cause damages. The omega-3 free fatty acids are the building block from which all other lipids in our body are made. The lipids stimulate and maintain the life functions in humans. Our free fatty acids are very effective energy reserves. They are integrated into every cellular membrane in our body, and the longer the fatty acids are, the longer the polyunsaturated fatty acids are, our cells work more efficiently. The omega-3s are essential fatty acids. We have to ingest them. Our bodies have the ability to make some polyunsaturated fats, such as DHA and EPA. However, our bodies do not have any ability to make ALA, or alpha-linoleic acid. And Mila, the oil seed from Mila, the Salvia hispanica L, is ALA. And it is truly the only essential fatty acid. And it's essential for us to eat these for our bodies to work properly.